The free watch list was on point again today, but the harsh reality is, regardless of how accurate this free watch list is every single night, you are going to get burnt because you're not even trading, you're gambling. Now, last night, as always, I gave you my top 3 stocks to be watching the market today, and this is exactly how they went. First up on the list was AIRE, which, easy enough, I said let's wait for buyers to show up in a strong way over 88 cents, which happened back here in pre-market this morning, and then look for pullbacks to set up over 80 cents a share, which you can see right here out of market open, put in place this nice double bottom. Now, this thing did give you a nice move today from 85 back to about 93 cents on this break of trend, which you can actually see right here. It makes the move off this low from the open, makes the move all the way back to 93 cents, but then it tries to hold off a VWAP and breaks below, and that's exactly where you would have just walked away with this with a small profit. But I didn't even touch this today just because of how nasty price action is. I mean, this thing's just like barcode central. Next up was DVLT, which I said, let's watch this as long as it finds buyers over $3, or really I said $2.90, but close enough. And this thing actually gave you a perfect move, putting in place a beautiful bottom over $3 this morning, and gave you a move all the way over that first level of targets towards 410. So this thing couldn't have been any easier. And last but not least, the big meme stock in the market right now on ASST. Now, I said last night I didn't really like this a whole lot for today, but I still gave you a perfect plan and it still worked out to a T. Now, what I said here was to watch for pullbacks over $1.20, which again happened back in pre-market this morning. This thing hasn't really done a whole lot today except for pre-market. Now, of course, this did pull back and put in place bottoms off these dips over 120, gave you a move all the way back to that first target of 155. Of course, the next level overhead is over $2. But see, the truth is that nobody wants to hear is the watch list gives you the best stocks in the market every single day, the most obvious stocks that everybody should be watching. But the sad fact is, a lot of you think it's just some buy list, like you can just buy and just hope for the best. But you're not going to make money that way. If it was that easy, 90% of you would not be failing at trading right now. But you are. These watch lists literally put you on the best stocks in the market every single day. You just have to know how to trade them. So if you are confused, you have no idea what a break is, you have no idea what confirmation is, you just have no idea what's even going on, all you have to do is grab my 7-day free trial. That way you can actually learn how I do what I do just like this every single day. Just this is today on CODX. It's perfect. There is zero obligation to stick around or pay a dime. So just join, try it for a week, learn for free. That way you can actually use these watch lists to their fullest potential. Because without some sort of knowledge, you're just gambling.